Welcome back guys. Today we will be looking at Nasdaq 100, Tesla and Apple after the US Fed announcement of 0.75% interest rate increase. And I don't want to waste your time, so all the chapters are mentioned in the description so you can skip to your favorite part. Starting with the Nasdaq 100 daily chart, we saw a perfect rejection from the 12,000 level over here. We talked about this whole range 12,000 to 11,500 being very important, and we are right now in this range. Previously we have seen consolidation happen, and this is my expectation right now. We will see some consolidation before a breakout of this range, but once again not a bad place to enter the market with some small amount. Look at this, price is making a lower low and the RSI is making a higher low, giving us a bullish divergence in this area. So yeah, there is some possibility of short-term reversal going back towards testing the 12,000 level. If we fail at this level, next is 11,000 where we can find support, and if we decide to pump from here, first level can be 12,600-700 where the 50 moving average is lying currently, and after that we can try to go towards 13,000. Guys, look at this also. If I quickly put up the fib levels, we can see that we saw a perfect test of the 0.78 level at 11,600. So we are here right now, so cannot ignore the possibility of a short-term increase from this point. Quick look at the weekly chart. Also look at the purple moving average which is available over here. 100 moving average is almost at 11,540. So we are trying to find support in this region. This has been an important metric before also during the COVID time, and before that also 100 moving average was important. But once again on the weekly, my concern is the current RSI is sitting at 40, likes to touch 30 numbers, so some scope is available towards the downside. Let's have a quick look at the 4 hours also. Once again we can see engulfing candle rejection from the 12,000 level. And again we can see lower low and then higher low on the RSI, so bullish divergence is forming. Given that RSI is sitting at 34, little bit scope is available towards the downside that might take us to the 11,500 level. But once again, this whole range of 12,000 till 11,500 is a very important support area. Let's head over to the Tesla chart now. On the weekly we can see rejection happening from 310, 315. In my live yesterday I was talking about a retest of this trend line over here at roughly 285, 290, and that might actually be good. We can retest this and then find support, bounce from here, which can take us towards the 350, 340 level. But really the key level for Tesla is this 265 till 250 where we have the 50 moving average available also. This has been an important metric. Look at all the consolidation that happened around the 50 moving average, and we saw this pump. Heading over to the daily chart for Tesla, so we can see this engulfing candle forming after US Fed decision yesterday. But once again I am maintaining my position of a retest of 285, 290. By that time RSI will also come up to this mark roughly, and we can see a RSI crossover happening over here also, which is generally taken as a bullish sign. If we are not able to hold this 285, 290 level, then of course we are going towards the 265 mark and then 250. This whole range is very important and good support here also. 200 moving average available. But guys, the important thing is look at this over here. Look at this. There is no volume available in this range. This empty section usually means if price breaks up, it will go give us a clean shoot towards 330. Whenever volume is absent, so price moves very quickly. Look at this candle over here. The whole area got covered in one candle. Again over here also. So yeah, any push above 320 can take us directly to the 330, 335 mark, which can be very good for the Tesla stock. Quickly heading over to the 4-hour chart. Very similar story. Nothing much changes in the 4-hour chart. Also, I am looking for a retest of this trend line at 285, 290, and as you can see RSIs are also coming up and trying to form a crossover. So hopefully we will bounce from here towards the 340, 330 mark. That will be good for the market. Let's move to the Apple weekly chart. I talked about the 150 level being very important, and that is from where we bounced and then got rejected from this downward trend line. However, this is not a simple downward trend line. This actually is a bull flag pattern. Any break of this and retest can take us back towards the 170 mark. If we fail to hold this, then next level is 140, 145 where the 50 moving average is available. It was good support before also, even in COVID lockdown, good support. Let's head over to the daily chart. So we can see a clear rejection from this trend line, and we cannot ignore the fact that there might be a retest of the 150 level again. If not 145, then where the 200 moving average is available also. also. So it is very important for Apple to hold this level and start a reversal from here. Otherwise, we are going downwards towards 150, 145. If we are able to pump from here, first resistance can be 156, 157, and after that we can go towards the 160 mark. Let's head over to the 4-hour chart also. Again, we can see the same downwards trend. RSI is sitting at 44, likes to go below 30. So yeah, definitely some scope is available towards the downside. And of course, as US Fed has increased the interest rate, we cannot ignore looking at the dollar index. I mentioned in my live also that 115 level is, I mentioned in my live also that 111.5 over here is the mark where we will get rejected, and look at this engulfing candle that we saw over here. In the short term, we might look towards the retest of the green line at 109.5. If fail over here, then purple line at 108.5. And as you know, any correction in the dollar index means a good time for both the crypto and the stock market. Once again, as you can see, markets are extremely volatile. If you're actively trading, please don't forget proper risk management. And if you like this content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.